How to delete credit card on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete credit card on Google Pay. So let's go. The first step is for you to log into your Google Pay account, just like I've done here. And once you're logged in, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and click on it. By clicking on your profile icon, you would see a list of options displayed. So ensure you select wallet settings and click on payment profile. Then you'll be asked to select a browser. Select a browser to continue to your payment profile page. So your next step is to wait for this page to load. And once it has loaded, move to the top left corner of the screen, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then amongst the options displayed, ensure you select payment method and you'll see your card being displayed here. So in order for you to delete a card, just click on remove and you will ask if you're sure that you would like to remove this particular card. Click on remove and then just like that, the credit card will be deleted and removed from your Google Pay account. So it's that simple. So go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.